Great marinade for anything. Lamb chops, ribs, whatever. I'm gonna give it to you right now. Stay tuned. Oregano. Our grill party does. Garlic. Olive oil. Crushed garlic. Ramekin. Garlic in the ramekin. Olive oil. However much you want. Olive oil, garlic. Add as much as you want. I don't know how much this is. Oregano. I'm putting oregano in here because I'm doing this for a lamb marinade. Oregano, olive, garlic. Our grill party does. Probably about 2 tablespoons. Boom. And we stir. It's gonna be like a paste. If it's too thick, add more olive oil. No such thing as too loose. All right. It's mixed. Now for the next step. In the microwave. No, you sound like, why the microwave? Well, we're gonna set it for probably about 35 seconds. We're gonna let the olive oil cook that garlic a little bit, loosen it up so it can exude all of its flavor. Seasons in there. So right now we got garlic, olive oil, oregano, because I'm doing some lamb, and our grill party does. Great way to get a marinade. Great way to break up that garlic to kind of get all the flavor up out of it. Stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
All right, let's open up the microwave. It's probably gonna be pretty hot. Probably should use it. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see right there. We're not cooking the garlic, but we're loosening it up because we want that olive oil. We want everything to talk. That's what you want to see. All right. We're gonna allow this to cool for a few minutes. But as you can see, we've got it. It's kind of mixed together real good. Like I said again, all we want the garlic to do is to break up all its flavor. We want to soften it up, break it up a little bit. So the olive oil, the garlic, the party dust, and the oregano all become one happy marinade. All right. I've already done it on one of them. I've actually got 2. These are lamb chop loins. I've already started. This is our marinade. Pour some on top of them, rub them in. This is a good way to get that flavor deep into that meat, and it ain't gonna burn when you grill it or roast it or whatever you do, pan, saute it, whatever, pan fry, whatever. This is good stuff. All you wanna do is rub it in. And that's it. Quick marinade, great way to put some good flavor in the meat. Olive oil, our grill party does, oregano, microwave, done. Happy grilling.